Welcome back, and in today's video, we're going to dive into step number 4, which is create content that addresses your audience's challenges, add value, solve problems, and serve your tribe. Let's get started. Hey, my name is Brian Finale, CEO and co-founder of MyLeadSystemPRO, where we help home business owners get results. Here's the deal. The best way to brand you and become the leader in your industry is to consistently create valuable content for your audience. Now, I know what you're thinking. So what the heck does that actually mean to you and your business in practical terms? But what action steps could you take today to create valuable content for your audience? First things first, when we say valuable content, this is what we mean. Valuable content is any piece of content that addresses your target audience's top challenges, problems, and pains. Content that provides solutions, benefits, and answers that your audience would see value in. If you are going to succeed online, you are going to have to create a steady flow of valuable content for your target market. Let me repeat this. Your job is to create consistent, daily content for your audience that addresses their top challenges, problems, pains, dreams, desires, questions, and benefits that they want. An interesting statistic from iMedia Connection found that 68% of consumers feel more positive about a brand after consuming content from it. And trust me when I tell you that you want your prospects to feel positive about you and your brand. So it would be a good idea to start creating valuable content for them. This content can be in the form of videos, Facebook posts, blog posts, Instagram pics, and stories. This content can be free PDF downloads, how-to infographics, cheat sheets, audios, interviews, anything. Now, this content ideally educates and entertains simultaneously and provides them solutions to problems they have. It identifies an itch your audience has, and then it scratches that itch. Entrepreneurs are professional problem solvers. You are a professional problem solver. And to get rich as an entrepreneur, you must get good at solving your audience's biggest problems. Bottom line, your content must give your audience what they want. 99% of marketers just spam their links everywhere, provide no value to their prospect, and then they wonder why nobody's buying. For example, our number one audience is home business owners. And we know from decades of experience that their top 2 biggest challenges are leads and money. So what do? It's simple. We follow this exact 7-step attraction marketing formula and crank out content like a machine every single day that teaches, educates, and trains our audience on how to get more leads and make more money in their businesses. And yes, we have a paid product and solution, so when our audience is ready to master that area of lead generation and monetization for their business, we get paid. And yes, you need to work with the end in mind and have an offer congruent with your content so you can sell to your audience when they are ready to master your particular subject. Your content should pre-sell your audience on the benefits of what you have to offer without having to do any selling yet. More on that when we get to step 6. The bottom line here is this. People will want to buy from you when you follow this 7-step attraction marketing method. These are some examples of free lead magnets, free giveaways, free downloads, value, and content that we've created for our target audience that solves their biggest problems, again, leads and money. So we created information on how to get more leads and money in their business. Marketing is actually pretty simple. Number 1, find a hungry audience. Number 2, find out what they want. And number 3, give them what they want. These are the type of valuable things our audience wants. Some big questions to ask yourself right now are, who do you serve? Who do you want to be, and for what target audience? Do you want to impact and serve people who are interested in health and wellness? Or people who are interested in personal growth? Maybe people who are interested in traveling the world, or maybe people who are interested in learning how to build a successful online business. You must decide who your audience is ASAP, because if you don't know who you're speaking to, it's going to be next to impossible to create valuable content for anybody, and therefore next to impossible to grow a profitable business. It's also time to decide what platforms you want to build your audience on, whether Facebook, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, blogging and WordPress, your email list, etc., etc. List goes on and on. We recommend focusing on maximum 2 at first. And we recommend you building your email subscriber audience. Sometimes it's called your email list. and your Facebook audience if you're just getting started. Those two are the primary ones. Depending on the platform you do choose, the content you create to build and engage your audience could be Facebook profile updates, could be Facebook Lives, could be mini chat and Facebook Messenger broadcasts. If you go with Twitter, you would be building and engaging your audience with tweets. If you choose Instagram, you would be building and engaging your audience with pictures, images, stories, IGTV, etc., etc. After creating thousands of success stories and profitable students, we've come up with a very simple formula to help you create laser focus in your business on a daily basis to all but guarantee results. It's BES, build, engage, sell. Build your audience, engage your audience, sell to your audience. And if you focus on these 3 activities every single day to build your audience on Facebook, for example, and you spend time each day to engage, connect, and nurture the relationship with that audience, and to create valuable content that speaks to their biggest challenges, you will see that the selling part of the equation becomes almost effortless. And bingo, you are now reaping the benefits of attraction marketing. If you ever feel lost or overwhelmed in your business, simply come back to our BES foundation. This quite possibly could be the most valuable acronym ever created for home business owners. If you focus your attention on and execute these 3 activities every single day, BES, and you create content that addresses your audience's challenges, you will succeed, just like thousands of our clients, students, and members who have come before you. That's step number 4 of 7 of the Attraction Marketing Formula. Create content that addresses your audience's challenges. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you get notified every time we put out a new training. And as you go through this Attraction Marketing Bootcamp and you have your breakthroughs, or if you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment below to share with the community. Now click the link in the description below to continue with your 7-step Attraction Marketing Formula Bootcamp. We'll see you in the next training video.